All right, today we're going to learn a little bit about how to make your own instruments at home. We have here an empty box, which actually makes a nice drum. And if you have a drumstick on hand, then that's very useful. But most likely you don't. And if you don't, you might have a chopstick on hand. Well, how about one that doesn't disappear on camera? A chopstick. Okay. All right, you might also have takeout chopsticks. Or if you don't have any chopsticks, you might have a spoon. Now, another option is if you have a pair of chopsticks, you can make a rhythm stick. And depending upon materials, they might be one pitch or another. They might be louder or softer. Here's another instrument that maybe will be a little bit more palatable since we're all stuck in the same house most of the time. We're going to make a maraca. So I have here some expired popcorn. So it's kind of useless now, right? I'm not going to make it. So if I put it in an empty bottle, I can then make a maraca. Now, if you don't have popcorn on hand, other options include nuts. I have here some cashews. Which are, once again, expired, so I have no scruples about using them as an instrument right now. I know food is important right now. And that the larger, less dense nature of a cashew creates less of a loud noise. So that's one option. Let's try mixing together the cashews and the popcorn and see what happens. If I can get them in. Two more. It's a pretty windy day outside. All right, here we go. Now, if you don't have any expired food on hand that makes a good maraca, you could, of course, use beads or seeds or anything that you're not going to use otherwise. And the great thing is that you can reuse a bead or something that you place inside of a temporary maraca. So these are all good options. You could even use popcorn that's not expired as a maraca and then make it into popcorn later. So that's today's Easy Instruments.